leads and selecting a lead. We're here to demystify that, puzzle solve it, and make it so simple, cause it to be so simple actually, that all of you can find success with this. I know you can. So Pat, help us puzzle solve accurate lead departures.
Horses have a leading side and a trailing side, and they have that for two reasons: balance and fatigue. Okay? So if the horse, for example, if you're a boxer and you punch with your left, you're leading with your left, okay? The right side is trailing. But you have, see how I had to shift my body in order to lead with the right, trail with the left? Then I have to shift my body. And this is something a lot of people don't do, is they don't shift their body and their shoulders, number one. So that is oftentimes the usual why people don't get it. Then people oftentimes lean in the direction, and that gets if you want a horse to get a right lead, just lean left. They're going to go to the right, okay? So you can even be just a little bit to the left, and the horse you're making the wrong thing easy, all right? And horses don't have this right and wrong lead sort of thing. They either got a right lead or a left lead, or they're cross-firing. They're kind of half and half, or let's say the left lead on the front and the right lead on the back. And by the way, whatever the hind legs are doing, that's the lead you're on. Prepare to a position to make a transition is a phrase that Tom Dorrance used all the time. And this means you've got to prepare the horse to be in the proper position to get that lead, all right? And usually the shoulders are what are getting in the way. Or we're letting the horse's shoulder, let's say you want to go to the left, you want to get a left lead. If you let the right shoulder fade, then he's naturally gonna, he's gonna go in that direction. And that some horses are naturally gifted and never on the wrong lead. They're always in balance. Some horses change leads really easy. Other horses aren't. And then just like people, some horses are right-handed or left-handed. And the horses that are, believe it or not, they're left-handed get the right lead first. The horses that are right-leaded, just like us, when we right-handed people, we roller skate or ice skate to the left easier than we do to going the other way. So a lot of little different things. And again, is it the horse's challenge or is it the person's? So we got to dissect all of that.
Yeah, you've got to figure out what you're doing before you can start teaching your horse anything. They already know left and right leads.
Yeah, I think, again, people ask me, what would you do with a horse that da-da-da? And I go, wait. You probably don't want to know what I would do. You want to know what I would advise you to do. Hi, horse lovers. This exercise is in level 3 in our Natural Horsemanship Levels program. Get more than just insight. You can learn to be empowered to become the horseman that your horse needs you to be. If you're interested in taking the journey, click the link in the description below.